You decided to have some RGB lighting in your video scene, but RGB lights are expensive. Today I'm gonna show you how to make one on your own for under $15. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to turn on all the notifications. For the base, I'm gonna use a cake pan which I got for $2.5 and it's 10 inches in diameter. Larger the diameter, more diffused light source is going to be. Obviously, we need a RGB light source. I got mine on AliExpress for around $10. It came in a 10-meter pack, and for this light I haven't used even 5 meters. Of course, we need a power source, which luckily came with my light strip. The controller and remote control also came with it. To soften the light even more, we need some more diffusion. You can buy a diffusion sheet, or you can use something like shower curtain, or like in my case, you can use folded baking paper. I will start with peeling back the paper to reveal the adhesive of the RGB strip and then stick it to the cake pan and start rotating it. You don't have to make it perfect, since gaps are going to allow light to reflect off the pan. When you come to the end of the pan, you just cut the light strip on the copper pads and then connect the controller and power source to test your lighting. The light source looks kinda harsh, so you can add extra diffusion. I've mounted mine to a DIY made stand using a clamp, but taping it should work just fine. You might be wondering, why have we put LED strip on the side and not on the bottom of the cake pan? The reason is that this way light reflects more, and so the light is not so direct and harsh, more diffused and soft. I hope you have found this video useful. If so, make sure to subscribe to see more. If you have any questions, comment down below. See you in the next one.